Hello, welcome to the Craig's Motel. My name's Conan. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the MPC Bible version 3. It's finally on the streets, released by the MPC tutor, also known as our main man, Andy. Now, just to be absolutely transparent here, I did buy the version 2 of the MPC Bible a few years ago, and I approached Andy recently saying that I wanted to review the new version when it was released, because I see the MPC Bible as possibly one of the most valuable resources for MPC users, old and new. I didn't ask for anything for free. I was more than prepared to pay for it. However, Andy did provide me the upgrade for free, but he's not had any say in this review, and he's not going to see the video before it's released. Let's jump in. Now, on first sight, the MPC Bible might just seem like a more in-depth manual. And in some regards it is. However, it is actually a fully structured MPC course. You can basically start as a complete newbie, turn on your MPC, follow the course, and end up with a finished track. Now, it doesn't just highlight the features that exist, which the Akai manuals do a very, very good job of doing. What it does is it highlights the features in real-world situations. It's easy to follow, step-by-step tutorials, which are brilliant for MPC newcomers, but also MPC veterans. Now, despite my years of using the MPC, I still learn things from the MPC Bible. One of the things I love doing is going back to the start, redoing the course as if I'm a complete newbie. And I have done this on several occasions, and it helps me brush up on things that I'm maybe rusty on. And each time I go through it, it teaches me new things about the MPC that I didn't already know. And one of the things I love about it is you don't need to buy any extra plugins or anything like that. The expansions, drum kits, project files, etc. come with the MPC Bible download, and everything else is already on a default MPC. It's compatible with the latest download 3.43 firmware, and you can use it on all of the new MPCs from the original Live right through to the Key 61 and everything in between. Now, another great thing about it is it comes as a PDF file, but if you want to read it on a tablet, a Kindle, your phone, etc., there is actually an EPUB file included. There are over 1,000 pages, and when there are updates to the firmware, MPC Tutor also updates the Bible. Now, it covers everything from sampling to chopping to arranging to more advanced techniques. But what I personally love about it is it makes it easy, hands-on. You see results very, very quickly. And whilst manuals have a place, and I love a manual, with the MPC Bible, because you work through it as a course, you see results as you go along, and you're not frantically going on YouTube and trying to work out a particular thing, etc. So like I said, you see results as you go through the course. Now, price-wise, if it's the first time you've ever bought the Bible, it's $49.99 US. But if you've bought previous versions of the Bible, it's $34.99, which I think's around about 30% off. Now, obviously, if you go to the Bible website, and I will include all of the links below for the website, etc., it will give you a way more in-depth breakdown of what is actually included in the Bible. But just let me reiterate, this is a complete standalone MPC course from start to finish. You can relearn things that you forgot about and learn things that you never knew existed. Now, I honestly cannot stress how good this publication is, and it's worth its price 100 times over. But also, don't forget to visit the MPC Bible and MPC Tutor website. There is a forum that you can join which has over 1 million posts on the MPC and MPC related things. It has over 80,000 members. You can find out everything that you need to know if you can't already find it in the Bible. And again, a really, really valuable resource. And I'm going to link all of these below in the description. So thanks for watching. This is the Craig's Motel. My name's Conan. Till next time.